takes is one workers' comp claim where the employee goes and gets an attorney.
Yeah.
And the attorney will get that employee to give them permission to subpoena their records.
Yeah.
And once they subpoena their records, find out that employee's records aren't in line, then you'll get your entire company's records subpoenaed.
Yeah. Yeah. And it can depend on the industry too. I know in staffing, I mean, we have law firms down south, they just send letters like crazy because they're just looking for something to stick. It's all they're looking for.
That was kind of more of the point that I was, my company, I've had under like 20 employees and what I've learned, like you've talked about the laws and where I can say is if I were sitting here prior to having to deal with a frivolous lawsuit, I would have been like, oh, well, I'm doing I don't do anything wrong. And that's not the point.
Right.
The way the California legal system is set up. As an employer, if you have a single employee, all they have to do is allege something. And the costs to defend yourself are gonna be so high because they'll find an attorney who will find the right thing to say to a judge, to where the judge is gonna say, I'm gonna grant discovery.
Yeah.
You're done.
Yeah.
You haven't done anything wrong. All their goal is to get a judge to grant discovery. And you gotta have your ducks in a row to help prevent that.
Yes.
Not having an HR firm, if you're trying to do this stuff alone, you're going to end up having to settle.
Yeah.
Like, based on what I learned from that whole thing, it's like, there's no way you can avoid it on your own. And all it takes is one employee who understands, all I have to do is just allege anything.
Yeah.
And find an attorney who's willing to run with it.
Yep.
And you will have to settle, even though you haven't done anything wrong
Yeah.
at all.
Yep.
And I'm sure everyone in here is doing everything the right way.
Yeah.
That's not the point.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, and then Jeff, what you were describing, it's called a hunting license.